Alright, before we begin, let me share a real incident that show why cybersecurity matter to everyone. In May 2021, the Canonial Pipeline, one of the largest fuel pipeline in United States, was hit by a ransomware attack. The pipeline supplies fuel to the server stage, and when hackers locked its system, the company had to shut it down for many days. The result, fuel shortage, long lines at the gas station, and panic across the East Coast. The attacker came from a group called DarkSide, using the stolen VPN password and without multi-factor authentication to protect it. They gained access to stolen around 100 GB of data and then deployed the ransomware. The company ended up paying 75 Bitcoin, both is around the 4.4 millions at the time, to get their the system unlocked, and the latter, the US government managed to recover most of the money. This event proved that even a single weak security control can cause massive disruption not just to a company but to the millions of the people's daily life. That's why the basic cybersecurity habits like using a strong password, enabling multi-factor authentication, and staying aware are not optional anymore. They are the initial for everyone, not just IT or cybersecurity professionals. So hi, welcome. I am a Mohsin Quresh, a cybersecurity professional and a trainer with over 9 years of hands-on experience. I work with IBM as a security SME, have spoken twice at the DEF CON Delhi, and have trained professors, students, and corporate teams. I have designed this beginner-friendly course to make cybersecurity clear, practical, and relevant for everyone. Whether you are the student, a working professional, a small business owner, or simply someone who wants to stay safe online. By the end of this course, you will not only understand the key concept but also be able to spot common threat and apply initial protection with confidence. Alright, let's move on to the course over. In this course, we will explore what security is and the key terms you should know. We will look at how network and data are protected, common threats like phishing, malwares, and ransomware, and the initially safety practices such as strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, safe browsing, and protecting your privacy. We will also cover practical tools like antivirus softwares and firewalls. Most importantly, we will link these lessons to the real world incidents so very concept feel like a practical and relevant. By the end, you will be able to recognize threats, apply protection, and make confident security decisions in your daily life and work. This course is designed for beginners, students exploring IT, professionals from any field, small business owner, and anyone who simply want to stay safe online and protected their personal data or personal information. By the end of this course, you will understand key cybersecurity concept and the language used in the field, spot common attacks and recognize early sign warning, create a strong password and enable multi-factor authentication, browse the internet safety and protect your online privacy, use the initial tools and follow the best practices to stay secure at home and at work. The course uses short, clear videos, quick quizzes, and practical exercise you can do right away. It's fully self-paced and no special background or tools are required, just a computer and willingness to practice. Thanks for the joining me. Let's start the building your cybersecurity skills. Click on the next lecture and let's dive in.